Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique, and as you can see, today we have a Tiffany unboxing. So before we move on to the unboxing, I would like to encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's jump into the unboxing, guys. Okay, so I don't know where to start, guys. I am really excited. So these items were purchased a few months ago and it was shipped to New York through a very special friend that you watch from a previous video when she gave a tutorial on how to tie a Tiffany bow. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it down below. But when another friend visited me a few weeks ago, I asked him to carry the items for me, and he did. He was very nice. So I'm really excited because I have been waiting for months to see these items. So they gave me a bunch of these like cards for, you know, these are for gifting purposes, which I'm not going to open because look at this bow, guys. This is just perfect, but I suspect these are cards. As you can see, there are a few of them, so blank cards possibly. Actually, I've opened most of these boxes and tried to tie them myself because I was just too excited, guys. I just couldn't. But I have one original one that I haven't opened yet, so let us see what's inside. Ooh, so exciting. Inside, of course, the usual blue pouch. And inside is this beautiful, I don't know if you can see, is it focusing? It's a key. It's an 18 karat single earring in the shape of the key. Not showing it to you. Okay, it's focusing on me instead. So there you go. Can you see? I'm gonna put it on so that you could probably see it on my ear. There you go, guys. That is the key. I purchased another one which will go nicely with this because this is a single earring. Let's see if we can find that one. I think it's this one. So exciting. Another pouch. And inside is the beautiful lock. The tiny lock. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so the lock and the key will go together. Let's try it on. That is the lock with the matching key. What do you think, guys? I think it's great for like every day. It's like very subtle and very small, and I like that they are not the exact same thing. I like to mix and match my earrings. So the next thing, I actually already opened and started wearing this because I was really excited about it. And this was let me just show you before I tell you what it is. Come in this pouch. Oh my god, blue boxes just make me so excited to reveal this ring. It's an eternity band. It's the Lucida band ring in the size 6.5. What I would like to do is I would like to layer it with my engagement and my wedding ring. So that's the Lucida. It is a full eternity band. Oh my god, this is so bad. I don't know if it's focusing. Maybe I'll do a separate like close-up for this item. So as you can see, it's a full eternity band. nice item to layer with my engagement and my wedding ring. This one is in platinum. So we have 3 more items, guys. I'm gonna go with this one. It's the biggest box. Comes in this pouch instead to reveal this gorgeous bangle. This is the horizontal flat atlas bangle in sterling silver. So it's just really simple, but when you go like this, you can see the atlas Roman numeral numbers. Also, fun fact, recently Louis Vuitton or LVMH group just purchased Tiffany. So now Tiffany is under the LVMH group, and it was purchased for like around $16 billion, which is unheard of. Okay, so the next one, we're gonna open another ring. I think I did a pretty good job in redoing the bow. I don't know, what do you think, guys? Let me know. To reveal another eternity band. This is the Tiffany Grace eternity band. As you can see, it's half only, it's not the whole way around like the Lucida. This is the Grace, and this one is also in platinum in size 6. Let me show you how it looks like. So it looks like that. It's so pretty, no? Actually, let me show you the Lucida next to the Grace. So the middle one is the Lucida, and then this one is the Grace one. The Grace one has a border, and the Lucida kind of like, yeah, it doesn't have a border. And the Lucida goes all the way around, and the Grace is just halfway. Both are very beautiful and perfect for layering. I love eternity bands, and it's been on my wish list for years and years. So the last item is in this box, and I can't believe this is the last one. I'm so sad. Every time you finish opening it, blue boxes, you get kind of like a bit sad, because you know, they're really exciting. I love Tiffany. Can't stress that enough. If you are a subscriber, you probably know you've seen some unboxings in my channel. So this is the last one. This is the last item. What would it be? Guess in the comment section below. I'll hold until you guess. All right. Also comes in a pouch. Let's see. To reveal a necklace. And this is the heart lock diamond necklace. So it is a lock in the shape of a heart. It comes with diamond, and it's in platinum in the 16 inches chain. Let me try it on for you guys. It's so pretty, and it's nice and dainty. I love I think I'm falling back in love with white gold, because for the past year I've been going crazy with yellow gold and, like, you know, wearing a lot of yellow gold. But you know, this Tiffany haul just made me fall back in love with white gold or platinum, because it is very dainty for every day. And yeah, it's a last flashy gold. So yeah, that is the last item for today's unboxing from Tiffany's. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have done a little bit of a damage, and so I don't think you'll be seeing a Tiffany unboxing in the near future, unless it's maybe a pre-owned item that I could get in an amazing deal, because I always prefer to invest in real jewelry that I can wear for the rest of my life, instead of like buying a bunch of like costume jewelry that doesn't last a long time. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Sorry if it's a little bit all over the place, because I am a little bit groggy because I took some cough medicine earlier before this video. So I'm actually really groggy, and I can't wait to go back under the blanket and get some rest. Have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.